In the agreement, we have left a lot for the field commanders to achieve and to attain. And the first sign for me of the progress after the signing of the agreement is the fact that between them they have exchanged hotline by which they can call themselves if anything is happening while the process of what I call DDRR is going on, which, of course, they will work together to bring about a program that will lead to final implementation of the agreement.
We'll be able to work and formulate together the best way to bring a permanent cessation and resolution to the problem that has confronted our brothers and sisters, our mothers and children from Ethiopia in a peaceful way. And I am convinced that that will happen. Let me say again, as I close, as I started off by saying, we started in Pretoria. We are inching our way closer. We are now in Nairobi. We are very hopeful next time we'll be in Mekele for our meeting and ultimately celebrate together in Addis Ababa. This is the prayer, this is the hope, and this is what we seek from our brothers here.